Okay, so to get ahead of 99% of artists, we need to work smart. I know this because I've been an artist for over a decade, and in the beginning I made some stupid decisions. Now, after 16 years in the industry and running the biggest online tattoo school in the world, I can comfortably say following this 3-stage blueprint will get you ahead of 99% of the other tattoo artists across the world. It's all through focusing on the business and the marketing instead of just focusing on the art alone. Let's be honest, most tattoo artists think it's all about the art. And when it comes to the business and marketing, if we say it bluntly, are thick as shit. So I want to make this accessible and super simple for everybody to follow. So there's just 3 simple steps that you need to do. So number 1, and we'll start with the easiest points first, and then they'll get slightly more complicated as the points go on. But the simple fix straight away is your social presence. And this is covered by a ton of different topics. The way that you take photos drastically affects your business. How often you post, the time of day that you post. So understanding socials and the business side of social media is vitally important. You've got to be taking the best photos that you can possibly have. And another massively important thing, when it comes to your posts, it's not about you. Nobody's bothered about the tattoos that you've been doing, all right? If you wording it like, look at what I've done today, nobody gives a shit. We've got to start understanding from a business aspect how to use social media in the most positive way possible. Make it about the person that is viewing your content, not just about you. Ask questions to force people to comment and engage within your posts. There's tons of things that we can be doing different when it comes to social media. I've touched on it so you can research and obviously make the improvements that you need. I've got other videos that go a lot deeper into this topic, so make sure you go check them out. But social media, you have got to understand social media from a business owner's aspect, not just a tattooist. Look, I'll be honest with you, I hate social media. I hate the fact that I used to have to go on my phone or my laptop every single day, creating the post, thinking, right, what do I put for this? How can I word this in a particular way? And it becomes a chore. Nobody likes spending the time on social media for work purposes. Most people enjoy the scrolling and looking at all funny videos, but when it's affecting your business, you're constantly thinking, why is other people getting loads of engagement, loads of likes, and mine's not? My work's better than theirs, and it becomes frustrating. And it's not the social media that's the issue, it's how you're using it because of just lack of education. We need to address that. One big tip that I learned and applied to myself, and it was an absolute game changer, not just for the tattooing, but my own peace of mind, was schedule out your posts for a month. All your social media then is done in that one day. The rest of the time, you can clear your head, clear the stress, and just focus on what you actually enjoy doing. So learn to schedule your posts. Number 2, this is a fun one because this is the time where you actually get to choose the type of artist that you want to be, the niche that you want to specialize in. And honestly, this is so important, and there's so many artists out there that are absolutely amazing, but the work has been diluted because they're not niching down on a particular style. You could do stickmen and be fucking amazing at them. You would have people travel from around the world to come to you for that one style of tattoo. An analogy that I always seem to refer to, and it kind of helps people understand, is the dentist analogy. You might have heard this in other videos, but let's just say your teeth are shagged, no good. Your teeth are horrible. All your life, you've been really self-conscious about them. So you've been saving up for years and years and years because it's a life-changing thing. Getting a tattoo is there for life. To people, it is a life-changing thing, so it is an important thing to them. But imagine, right, you've got this money, you're finally going to get your teeth sorted out, you want them all whitened, straightened, etc. In front of you is 2 dentists. One is your generic NHS dentist that'll do fillings, they do anything that anybody goes in to ask for. Your generalist. The next one is a specialist in teeth whitening and having them all straightened. Exactly the thing that you want. At that moment in time, looking at the 2 dentists, who are you going to be attracted to? The person that specialises in the thing that you want. It's not always about price. Even if that specialist were twice as much as going to one next door, you'd happily pay it because you're bothered about the end result. You instantly are attracted to the person that does the one thing that you want. The exact same principle in tattooing. Quick message to everybody that signed up to the membership program. Without all of you guys, this channel just would not be possible at all. So thank you. And we've got so many big plans for the future. So if you want to become a part of it and help the channel grow, and also get 2 exclusive follow along tattoo lessons every single week, plus a load more cool free stuff just chucked in there willy-nilly. It's just $14.99 a month, thereabouts, for literally as long or as little as you want. But I'll be honest with you, it's the thing that really helps us keep making these videos for you. So if you do want to be a part of it and help, check the link in the description. Thank you. If you specialise as a traditional artist, anybody local to you that's wanting a traditional piece will be attracted to you. None of the others that just do anything and anything would even get a look in, because you specialise in the one thing that that customer wants. A lot of artists fall into the illusion that, well, if I do everything, then I've got more customers. And theoretically, yeah, that's right, but all those customers are going to go to somebody that specialises in the one thing that you want. And because you specialise in nothing, you're going to get left behind. Specialise in a niche. The fun thing with this, and I've done it myself, some of my students have done it multiple times over, you don't have to just stay in that one thing. So it can change over time. Initially, when you're first starting out, and let's say you've been tattooing, you've just finished learning, you're opening a shop, or you're just starting to rent a chair in somebody else's, your niche could be the simplistic designs, the beginner-friendly designs, the little couple tattoos. But you become really well known at doing that style, and everybody wants to come to you. That's the perfect niche for the phase of your tattoo career that you're currently in. As you progress and you've been tattooing longer and you get more experience, you can change niche at the same time. Hopefully that's making sense and sinking in. The importance of it and the fact that you can change it as your career progresses, so important. Niche. Number 3, and this is a really good one that most people actually completely forget about. So now we're aware that we've got to actually run the tattoo shop as a business. What's one of the things that all businesses have got to do? Every single business, especially successful ones, have got to market. Nobody's doing this properly in the tattoo industry. If you become a good marketer, you're going to be above 99% of every other tattoo shop worldwide, because they just don't focus on it. They're that engrossed into the tattoo, they forget about the business and the marketing. The one thing that I will advise is marketing is not to fix an issue. And what I mean by that, and it's a mistake that so many people make, is when they've got no customers, which is a big problem at the minute in tattoo industry, and it's because they're doing things wrong. But when they've got no customers, all of a sudden they think, I need to do marketing. All of a sudden then it makes sense to people. I've got to market to actually get customers in. Word of mouth is not good enough anymore. It'll get you so far, but there's a new age of tattoo artists out there. Let's be honest, up until even as far back as 10, 15 years, tattooists were frowned upon. Come out of prison, biker gangs. It wasn't necessarily a type of person that were well educated, understood business, were a marketing expert. That wasn't a thing. Now it is. Now we're getting educated people learning how to tattoo. People transferring from very high paid jobs because they've got a passion for art. We're getting a new kind of tattoo artist. I'm proud that I've been a part of that change, but it's not the old style of artists. They're few and far between. So now we're not just competing with people that just do tattoos and that's it, rely on word of mouth. There's educated people out there that understand, look, it's business. We've got to market that. We've got to grow on socials. We've got to do his branding right. There's loads of different things, and these people are not just relying on word of mouth. They're actually running things like a business. So if you're not, all these other people are going to take over you. You're going to be left in dust. Trust me, I've been a tattoo artist for over a decade. I've grown from tattooing in my shed, in my garden, to one of the most well-known artists in the world. And it's not because I'm a world-class, amazing artist. I'd be honest and say my work is a good average. There's fucking thousands of artists out there that their work makes mine look rubbish. But my business is doing better because the way I plan my business, the way I market it, and the way I just run things in general is something that they're not doing. You can learn by watching what other people are doing right and avoid other people's mistakes. That being said, if you do want to learn more, that is exactly what this channel is about. That's why I put these videos together, so other people don't have to make the mistakes I've made and what I can see other people making. There's a shitload of content on my channel covering everything from how to tattoo to how to run the business and how to market that business. So make sure you go binge watch it. Just cancel what you're doing for the next 7 days and just binge watch me. If you're struggling with fundamentals, listen, whether you're just getting into tattooing or we've got people on course that's been in game for years, don't matter what level you're at or where you're at or how long you've been doing it, go check out in the description. There's a link to fundamentals course. It's $27. It's 39 lessons. It's fucking jam-packed of information. It'll take you from never holding the machine to doing some pretty cool designs, to be fair. So I'll see you in there. Don't forget, we've got loads of stuff on the channel. Make sure you go check it out. As always, give it a thumbs up and I'm going to give you mine. If you've been on channel a few times, you know what's coming. I'll see you in the next one.